How to log in Halifax bank account. Hey everybody, welcome back to Login Joins. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get logged into your account. So without any further ado, let us get started. Head over to your Chrome application from your device and at the top search bar type in Halifax Login. As you do so, you will see its official website that says sign in to online banking. Tap onto it. Here tap on sign in on your top right. Just like so, enter your username and your password at the box below. If you would like this site to remember your user ID, then check the box that says remember my user ID. Once done, tap on to continue. In case you are having any difficulty signing in, tap on forgot your signing in details and get help resetting your account. And that is how you can do it. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We will be back soon with more tutorials like this. Till then, hit the subscribe button to never miss an update from us.